the other cams ready. The engine head's at the machine shop. This is going to be the intake cam, so I'm going to start off with this one first. I don't want to get them mixed up. I mean, it probably doesn't matter which goes to which side, but I want to keep it. On the same side. So let's put these in the tank. Got the exhaust cam gear, a lot more dirtier than the intake side. Get this cleaned up, we can knock that one. So there we have it. Got these cam gears nice and cleaned up. Blasted the bolts as well. Ordered some ARP cam gear bolts. They should be here tomorrow. So we can drop these in when I get the head back from the machine shop. Nice and clean. And down the road, I'll order some cam gears, either the BC gears or AEM. Those are the ones I have in mind. A lot better than what they were before.